Hi everyone! Welcome to my new channel. This is about K-drama. And yung K-drama na to is available on Disney Plus this coming July 22, 2026. I'm excited because this is another K-drama of 𝓣𝓲𝓽𝓵. Ito yung mga reasons bakit exciting and favorite ko yung K-drama na to. Number one, it has an amazing story, guys. So there's literally a shopping mall underground at yung mga binibenta dito are guns, different kinds of guns and ammunitions, and merong story behind that. Number two, I like the story of this K-drama because it is unique and it has a lot of amazing action scenes. So if favorite mo panoorin yung mga action K-dramas, ito yon. Ito yung one of the things that you will love about K-dramas. They will be playing Jong Jin-man and Jung Ji-an respectively in this K-drama. So, ang ganda kasi group of assassins na Babylon, and si Bale, yan yung antagonist talaga nila. Sino talaga yung pumatay kay Jong Jin-man in this K-drama. Exciting because dito yung acting ni Pasin, a well-loved character in this K-drama played by Kim Min. So, if you are so excited and if you are one of the fans of 𝓣𝓲𝓽𝓵, so ito na yung hinihintay natin, guys. Again, this is an exciting K-drama this coming July 22. Available on Disney Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!